Good morning, it's me Tina. Welcome back to my cucina. Our dish for today is a grilled garlic shrimps. So we need just 2 to 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, and we need 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Ang bawang ay mayaman sa protina. Sila ni sibuyas ay always together, pero bakit wala pa ring forever? Heat in a medium fire until fragrant, but don't burn the garlic. Then set aside to infuse the garlic into the oil, and you need to add 1 to 2 pieces of chili. It's up to you. You just cut the chili and mix it properly to the garlic mixture. And now we just need to clean and wash the shrimp, remove the veins and the legs, and cut the shrimp in between or both sides or one side. It's up to you. And we just need to arrange it in a grilling pan. Sabi nila, ang hipon, ulo patapon daw. Ang katawan lang daw ang kinakain. Pero hindi ako hipon kasi wala ako doon. Wala akong ganda sa katawan, wala ding ganda sa mukha. Ayan. So, season it with salt and pepper. Pero, para sumarap ang shrimp natin, ay kailangan natin lagyan ng asin at paminta. At iba pang sangkap na gusto mo, pwede mong ibahin ayon sa panlasa mo. Gaya sa relasyon, di pwedeng steady ka lang, dapat nagli-level up ka din. Hanapin ang tamang timpla at huwag na huwag lang hanapin sa iba. And now we just need to put the infused garlic mixtures on top of the shrimp. And we just need to grill it for about 3 to 5 minutes and at 250 degrees Celsius. This is so easy to prepare. We just need 5 minutes to prepare this kind of dish. Yeah. But always remember that a good recipe is useless if without heart in cooking. And finally, done. Our garlic shrimp is ready to eat.